secular means we cannot appreciate for particular religious. So whenever we see that India religious condition is like this, but whenever we discuss about these things we have to mention about the communal politics. So we have to concentrate about this politics because different religious they has a different costume, they has a different mentality, but does not mean we are from the different country. We all are same, we all are, that is called the unity. So whenever it's come to the politics and the religious, it makes us so furious. So we have to concern about these things, that religious can be different but our mentality cannot be different, because we all are belong from the same country and this is a secular state. I hope you all understand the differences in between the gender and discrimination the gender in between men and women and the religious, as well as the religious discrimination and the politics is happening with the religious also. Now we will discuss about the caste system. So whenever we discuss about the caste system, which is very important, the name is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So we will see a picture, so we can very easily identify by showing this picture. So let's see the picture first. Here is a picture. This is the picture of previous caste system, where we can say the untouchability. We already heard about this untouchability. So this is exactly happened with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So whenever we discuss about the caste inequalities, we have to mention everywhere we can find caste division, but whenever we discuss about the Indian caste system, we can notice something like occupation also passed from one generation to the another generation, and they think that is also a part of a caste system. So that is why the political leader and the social reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Gandhiji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar worked to establish a society in which caste inequality are absent. So what exactly their motive? Their motive was caste inequality have to absent, means we have to mention about this caste where is no untouchability, no differences in between the two caste and all. So what exactly the caste inequalities? Like unlike gender and religious, caste division is special to India. In the caste system in India, heredity occupational division was sanctioned by rituals. Before we discuss about these things, that they think, so I am a teacher, so my son, my daughter, everyone will be teacher. So this is called the caste system. But nowadays this is not happen. But previous caste system and somehow the rural areas defines the same caste systems continuing. This was based on the exclusion of the discrimination against the outcast group. These also include of all these things. So I hope you all understand about the gender, religious and caste system. I actually discuss about the main points of this chapter, because that is really not possible for making a full video of the full pages and the each and every lines. I cannot even mention in a video. So either you make any problem, either you cannot even understand what exactly I mean to say, please comment, and there is a comment section below. So if you get any problem, if you feel any problem, so you can comment their comment section below. And thank you. You will get a lot of question and answer from this chapter the next video. Thank you so much and stay well.